Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Hamster Kombat on your mobile device and earn money and coins. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, make sure you got Telegram because you need Telegram to play the game. So open up Telegram and now from here, click into Hamster Kombat. If you don't have that, just go and do a search, top right. Here it is here. So I'm going to click into Hamster Kombat and now click on play in one click. And you're going to launch, the game's going to be launching from here. So just let that load. All right. The first thing you can do is continually tap on the image like so. And then as you can see, the coins is going up. So if you keep doing that until your finger or thumb gets sore, that's a good way to collect coins, but probably not the most practical. All right, other ways to earn more coins. So if you go ahead on the bottom here, you got Mine, Playground, Friends, Earn. Go ahead and click onto Earn more coins. So your first steps in crypto and stock trading, 100,000 coins. GameStop, the power of community, 100,000. You got daily tasks. These figures might be different to your screen. And task list, so you can join the Telegram channel for 5,000. So let's do that. So I'm going to click onto that, click on join, and then click on join again. And as you can see, I've joined this channel. So now let's go back to Hamster Kombat. And now let's go and click on the check if it lets us. Yep. There you go. So if I go back to exchange here, you see success at the top and see how many coins we got. Yep, 5,200. So that works. So we can go back and click on earn again. Scroll down. What other tasks can we do? So we can follow the Twitter account for 5,000. Choose your exchange for 5,000. Invite free friends, 25,000 coins. So you go ahead and do that task list there. So if I click on choose your exchange, click on choose, I'm going to choose my exchange. And I'm going to choose Bing. I've only got Bing on my phone at the moment. All right, you've signed a contract with Binance. Good luck, CEO. All right. It should automatically update. If I go back to earn again, scroll down, click on check. Yep, that worked as well. So if I go to exchange, I've got 10,000 coins now. So you can see how easy this is to collect coins. And now let's go have a look at the daily rewards. So there's two ways to do this. You can click on the daily reward here or go to earn. I might choose earn because this is a pretty juicy reward here. So if I go ahead and tap onto that. So here we go. So accrue coins for logging into the game daily without skipping. So if you log in daily, your coins will keep increasing. So if I've logged in to 10 days straight, I'll get up to 5 million coins. So let's start off here at day one, click on claim. So keep doing that. And now from there, invite free friends. So if I click into that, invite free friends. If I go check, I haven't invited free friends yet. So I need to go back and do that. Now, if we go back to the exchange here, and let's have a look at what the mini game is, because you can earn coins playing mini games. So here we go. So move market candles and get keys. All right, so let's go ahead and click on to play. All right, let's do this game. So I want to move this one up, that across, that there. All right, doing the game. If you don't do the game in time, it will say time is up, and then you can go ahead and retry in an hour and a half time. So there's a time limit on some mini games inside there. All right, if I click on the daily combo, let's see what this is. All right, let's tap onto marketing. So let's click onto that. So marketing, develop marketing channels and drivers for attracting audiences, test hypotheses and sale funnels. Profit per hour is plus 70. So if we want to buy that for 1,000, let's go ahead and buy that. All right, so we've bought that marketing. Yeah, so if we go back here, there's so many things you can do to get more coins. If you got any cool or other cool ways to earn even more coins, just jot them down in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.